Hey newbies, in this video we are solving KSRP Constable Profile 2020 question papers mental ability questions. Okay, very easy questions are given. Let's solve one by one. This question is from ratio topic. See, in a cricket coaching camp, 1200 children are trained, out of which 900 are selected. The ratio of non-selected children to total number of children is given. Total children are 1200, correct? No, out of 1200 selected students are 900. Then what about non-selected students? How to get this value? Very simple. Total minus selected students, that is 300. Okay, now question is to form a ratio of this non-selected children to total number of children. Non-selected children are 300 and total 1200. Just reduce this and get the answer. Simple. Let's cancel common zeros and we get 3 is to 12. 3 ones are 3 fours are. Final ratio is 1 is to 4. Option C is the answer for this question. Be very careful. We have 4 is to 1 also. It's not 4 is to 1. It is 1 is to 4. I hope the solution is clear. Let's continue. Newbie, second question is from profit and loss. Rakesh purchased a TV for rupees 5000 and paid rupees 250 for its transportation. If Rakesh sold the TV for rupees 5075, find its profit or loss percent. See, total cost price is 5000 for purchasing and 250 for the transportation. You have to take total investment of Rakesh as a cost price. Okay, his investment is 5250 rupees. What about selling price? He sold the TV for 5075 rupees. Obviously it's loss, right? See, cost price is more than the selling price. What is the loss value? Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Cost price is 5250. Selling price is 5075. Then loss value is 175 rupees. After this, just find the loss percentage. Loss percent is equal to loss divided by cost price into 100. Always remember, comparison should be on the cost price. What is loss value? 175. Cost price value 5250 into 100. Just simplify this and get the answer. Let's start with cancelling these two zeros and take 25 directly. Any number 2, 5 and 7, 5 is there, no? So take 25 directly. 25 2s are 1s are. 25 7s are. 7 1s are. 7 3s are. How much we get? 10 by 3. What is 10 by 3? 3.333. Like this, the value continues, okay? Percentage. Option A is the answer for this question. As I told you in the starting, questions are very simple. Do observe each and every solution properly. Okay. Maybe next question is from simple interest. What is the simple interest for rupees 25,000 for 2 years at annual 4% rate of interest? Easy question, right? P is given as 25,000. T is given as 2. R is given as 4%. And the formula for simple interest is SI is equal to PTR by 100. P value is given as 25,000. T value 2. R value 4 divided by 100. Just simplify this, get the answer. Remove common zeros. Okay. 250 into 2, 500. 500 into 4, 2000. This is the simple interest. Option A is the answer for this question. Guys, next question is from simplification. If x is equal to root of 100, then find the value of x cube plus x square divided by x. First get the value of x. X is equal to root of 100. That makes x value 10 because 10 square is 100. Clear? Now take the equation. X cube plus x square divided by x. Instead of replacing x value as 10 at this stage, first simplify this and then replace. Okay. Check the numerator, newbies. X square is common, right? Take out that x square. We get first value as x and the second value as 1 divided by x. Cancel this 1x and this x. We get numerator value as x into x plus 1. Now replace the value of x. X is equal to 10 and here 10 plus 1. What is this value? 10 into 11. 110 is the answer for this question. Option C is the answer for this question. Newbies, next simplification question is 65 plus root of question mark is equal to 83. Will you try this? Pause the video and try. Let's see how much you get. Definitely I'll give the solution. Please do try once. I hope you have tried. Question is 65 plus root of question mark is equal to 83. First send this 65 to RHS. Root of question mark is equal to 83 minus 65. Root of question mark is equal to 18. To remove this root, you have to square both the numbers. Okay. Question mark is equal to 18 square 324. Newbies, do remember square numbers at least till 30. Okay. Option B is the answer for this question. If you remember till 30, it's just 10 to 15 seconds work. Correct, no? I hope the solution is clear. Let's move to the next question now. Newbies, next question is from simplification, surds and indices topic. See the question. 9 power 3 into 9 power 2 into 9 power minus 5 into 9 power 2 into 9 power 3 into 9 power minus 1 into 9 power minus 4. Let me take an expression. A power x into a power y is equal to a power x plus y. See, if you get two expressions like this with the base sign and between them product symbol, you can take that expression as a power x plus 1. Only for this into symbol, not for plus symbol. You can't take like this. A power x plus a power y is equal to a power x plus y. This is wrong. Clear? Now check the question. Base are same and between the numbers we have into symbol. Then you can add the powers. Take the values. 3 plus 2 plus minus 5 plus 2 plus 3 minus 1 minus 4. Newbies, simplify this and place that result as the power of 9. That gives you the answer. What we have to do now? Add all the numbers with positive sign and add all the numbers with negative sign, but separately. Okay. Basic calculation. Sum of all positive numbers 10. Sum of all negative numbers minus 10. What is this value? 0. What do you have to do with this 0? Place that value as power of this base. Base is 9. 9 power 0 is the answer for this question. What is 9 power 0? It is 1. Not only 9 power 0, any number power 0 is 1. 100 power 0, 1000 power 0, 2 power 0, any number power 0 is 1. Do remember this? Option B is the answer for this question. Newbies, this simplification question is from coding and decoding. See, if England is written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 6 and France is written as 7, 8, 5, 2, 9, 1, how is Greece coded? First, using these two coded words, you have to decode it. After decoding, use the same logic to code this word, Greece. Okay. Take the first word, England. England is coded as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 6. France 7, 8, 5, 2, 9, 1. In this pattern questions, you have to check it properly. See, we have E here and also here. Check the number. E is coded as 1 and here also it is coded as 1. Let's check the N. N is coded as 2. Here it is also 2 and here it is also 2. Then it's a very basic question from coding and decoding. See, E is 1, N is 2, G is 3, L is 4. No need to dig it and check it more. Take the word Greece. G is 3. We can cancel these two options. R is 8. Then E is 1, E is 1, C is 9 and E is 1. Option B is the answer for this question. Anyways, last question of this video. Find the missing number in the diagram. 594, 198, 66 and this question mark. You have to find what number should come here. For that, you have to find the logic between these three numbers. Check it. It's very simple. Find 94 divided by 3 is 198. If we divide this number by 3, we get this number. Similarly, if we divide this number by 3, we get 66. See? If we divide this number by 3, we get this number. Now, to get this number, what do we have to do? Simple. We have to divide this number by 3. That's it. 22 is the answer for this question. Option C is the answer. I hope you have understood all the questions solved in this video. If you have any doubt, please do comment it. Thank you.